So hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In today's video, we will be learning about some maths commands that you can use in Python programming. There are multiple math commands that you can use. I will show you a list of math commands also, but before that, let me introduce you to the library of Python which helps you execute those things. I have created a new Jupyter notebook and I'm going to write down my code. So you have to start from importing that library. So for importing any library, you have to say from math is a library name, import asterisk symbol, which says import everything from math library. Let me select the kernel which I have, which is 3.11.4. Let it get connected. So math library is the one which will help you to execute all the math commands, whether it is of calculating square root, whether it is addition or normal multiplication, even the advanced calculation also it can do for you. So we have already imported our library. Now our next task is to write down some commands. So I'm writing print math.py. It will give you the pi value. Let's import it with the different method. Let's say import math. And then it's giving me the exact pi value. Suppose I wanted to print exponent e value as well. So I'm saying dot e. It will give me the e value as well. If you wanted to perform something, suppose you wanted to calculate the square root of any number. So what you need to do is I'm saying print math dot sqrt. Sqrt is the function, and then I'm writing, let's suppose, square root of 5. Now this is the square root of 5. You can perform other things. Suppose you wanted to calculate the log. So you can say math.log. Now log of, suppose I want to calculate the log of 100 where the base is 10, which is 2.0. If you wanted to calculate, if you wanted to convert, let's suppose, degrees into radian or radian into degrees, then that also you can do. Math.degree and then type the value, let's suppose 50 degree. It is in the radian basically. It should be degrees. Now if I will run it, so this is radian to degree conversion. If you wanted to do the same way, the degree to radian conversion, that also you can do. Math.radian and then write down the value, let's suppose 20 degrees. It will convert it into radians and will print the value for you. Same way you can perform other things. Let's suppose you wanted to calculate the power of something. So power, for power we have POW, math.power you will write. And after that, which to the power of what? Suppose I wanted to write 5 to the power of 10. So you will say 5, 10. And this is how it works. If you want to know the exponents, then also. So if you will write math and then you will write dot, you will get all the options which are available to you. If you wanted to do the inverse trigonometry also, then also you can do, just like A cos is for inverse trigonometry. A cos h is also for that. A sin h, A tan h. These all are for the inverse. Then we have some more functions. Suppose you wanted to get the smallest value, so smallest integer value, then you can use the ceil function. And many more functions are there. You can just explore this by writing math dot. It will give you all the supported functions.